Hi, attorney Lorena Rivas here. I just wanted to talk to you guys and let you guys know about some changes that are occurring right now and some that are kind of worrisome. Now, first of all, I want to give this warning. This is not applying or being done to all immigration cases, but for certain individuals, they're getting detained. So their number of detentions are increasing. And there are two circumstances and two situations that I see the increase happening. First, if you have an ICE check-in, it's a possibility of being detained there. Now, again, it's not happening to everybody, and maybe in the past you haven't had any problems at these ICE check-ins, but now they might detain you. And this is what I'm seeing, the pattern, and of course, immigration doesn't let us know, ICE doesn't let us know, but the pattern is if you were arrested after maybe being released from ICE custody, or if you pled guilty to a crime after being released from ICE custody, then they may stop detaining you when you go in for your ICE check-in. Oh, or if you have been previously removed or deported and the deportation is still outstanding, then you have definitely a high risk of being detained at your ICE check-in. And the last situation that I've seen is maybe previously you were detained, you were put into ICE's hands, but they released you on your own recognizance without paying a bond. Well, now when you go to your ICE check-in, they seem to be detaining these individuals to force them to have to pay a bond and go through the whole immigration bond process. Again, it's really important that you talk to an immigration attorney before you just show up at your ICE check-in to maybe weigh the risks of going or not going. And of course, if you go and they detain you, you're right there. It's easy for them to detain you. Now, if you don't go, there's a possibility in the future they may show up and try to detain you at your work or at your home. It's all about balancing your risk and what is better for you in your family. Now, the second situation that is occurring, and it's more alarming, is they're starting to detain people at immigration court. Not everybody, and again, I don't want to say this is everything, but what we've been seeing is it's for individuals who are here in the United States less than 2 years. And what they're doing is ICE, these individuals show up to court, and then ICE has filed a motion to dismiss proceedings to get them out of immigration court proceedings. Then what happens is when the case is closed out, as soon as they step out, ICE agents are there to detain them, to arrest them, take them into custody, and process them for an expedited removal, which means a deportation, a rapid deportation without an immigration court hearing. We've seen this happening across the country in numerous immigration courts, Dallas, Miami, Chicago, California courts. It's happening all over, and it's just to process people faster. So it's important that if there's a way to avoid to go to court by either filing a motion to appear via WebEx, so the individual doesn't show up to court, or if there's a way to fight the dismissal in the court, it's really important to do that. So it's really important to talk to an immigration attorney prior to going to court to see if there's a way to avoid this happening to you.
Rivas Associates, abogadas de inmigración, empoderando inmigrantes, construyendo futuros.